Good morning, my dear students. We are discussing about current assets. All those assets which can be easily converted into cash within a short period of time or within a year are known as current assets. And second, these are the assets which are purchased for short-term use in the business organizations. And these are the assets which provide short-term benefits. हमने बताया कि current assets है जो total capital होती है, जो पैसा होता है वो invest करते हैं business में, जो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए यूज कर दिया, जिन असेट्स पे वो यूज कर दिया, इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, वो असेट्स तो कहलाएंगे फिक्स्ड। और जो पैसा हम शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए यूज करते हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, दे आर नोन एज करंट असेट्स। और लॉन्ग जो करंट असेट्स होते हैं वो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए यूज करते हैं वो अमाउंट इन्वेस्टमेंट, और उसके बेनिफिट भी शॉर्ट मिलते हैं। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट एग्जांपल्स। करंट असेट्स सच एज cash in hand, cash at bank, stock, it is also known as inventory, and it is also known as merchandise. Next, debtors, bill receivables, it is also known as receivables, it is also known as trade receivables, एक ही है prepaid expenses, it is also known as unexpired expenses, accrued income, short-term investment, marketable securities, trade securities, cash in hand, cash at bank, stock, inventory, merchandise, debtors, BR, receivable, trade receivables, prepaid expenses, unexpired expenses, accrued income, short-term investment, etc. वैसे बहुत सारे हैं बेटा। Mainly these are the current assets, such as cash in hand, cash which are having in bank, cash at bank. Stock, we can say that when goods they are lying vacant unsold at a particular period of time, then that is known as stock. वो गुड्स जो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे बिकने से रह जाती है, बिक नहीं पाती है, वो स्टॉक है। इसके भी टाइप्स हैं हमारे, ये नेक्स्ट में आएगा, हम कराएंगे, वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. First of all, you have to learn that what are the current assets. These are the example of current assets. Cash in hand, cash at bank, stock is also known as inventory. इसी का नाम है ये merchandise, इसी का नाम है. Later we will discuss about this. Debtors are the persons to whom goods are sold on credit by us. Debtors are those persons to whom goods are sold by the business organization on credit. They are known as debtors. And this is the part of debtors: BR, bill receivables, trade receivables, prepaid expenses which are paid in advance, or we can say that these are the expenses which are related to the next year but they are paid in current year. We will discuss in later also about this. Unexpired, it is also known as prepaid or unexpired, both are same. Accrued income, this is the income accrued, अर्जित की गई है, कमाई गई है. This is the income which is earned in a particular year, but that is not received. ये वो इनकम है जो हमने उसी साल कमा तो लेकिन हमें प्राप्त नहीं हुई. This is the income which is earned in the current year, but that is not received. That is known as accrued income. Short-term investment. In fixed assets, that was the concept of long-term investment. Here we are discussing short-term investment. वहाँ long-term investment था. If long-term investment is given, then those investment they are treated as fixed assets. If short-term investment is given, then this term is known as current assets. If only investment is given and it is not mentioned that the investment they are short-term or long-term, then investment should be treated as fixed assets. Later we will discuss about this. And marketable securities, these are the securities. For my first question is that students sometimes they think that what are the securities? Then I would like to say that we will discuss in next lesson or next chapters. Then what are the securities, what are the investments, and what do you mean by trade securities or marketable securities? These are the securities which we can sold out within a short period of time. So they are known as marketable or trade. ट्रेड का मतलब व्यापार है. ये वो सिक्योरिटीज है जिनको हम एक साल में आसानी से बेच सकते हैं. तो बेटा these are the examples and later we will discuss about this. These are the current assets. Or we can say there are so many types of assets, such as I have used that stock, inventory and merchandise. Both are these three words they are to be written down, but they are the same. मैंने आपको बताया कि स्टॉक को इन्वेंटरी भी बोलते हैं, मर्केंडाइज भी बोलते हैं. I have also discussed about this aspect such as bill receivables and trade receivables. तो बेटा ऐसे इसके कई नाम बहुत सारे हैं, वो मैं आगे लेटर डिस्कस करूँगा. अब पॉइंट क्या है देखो, in this concept, because fixed assets and current assets they are very very important. ये हम जहाँ भी अकाउंट्स में जाएंगे पढ़ेंगे यहीं आएंगी. तो मेनली you have to learn cash in hand, cash at bank, here stock, here debtors, bill receivables, prepaid expenses, accrued income, short-term investment, marketable securities, trade securities. अगर हम डिटेल में जाएंगे तो मैं आपको लिखवाऊंगा. बहुत सारी एसेट्स हैं. देयर इज ए लॉट ऑफ कलेक्शन ऑफ करंट एसेट्स. They are known as by different names also, but we will discuss this later. Then in this concept you have to learn that these are the current assets: cash in hand, cash at bank, stock, debtors, here BR, here prepaid expenses, here accrued income, marketable securities, trade securities, short-term investment, etc. etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Main probably you have to learn only this about this concept, and in detail or brief we will discuss in next lesson. Okay, thank you.